match day Statistical versus Young Apostle. Now, unfortunately, the Biana a 20-man squad and a Kotoko'S game this season. Injury di Kotoko'S and ne players are yes select you munyama or Marco face Young Apostles no. Kotoko enya no 20-man squad because of injury. We are told say 17 players na omo ho eden say ombetimi e be kwa koyi mu 11 one say ayana 11 starting na 9 players at na bench and 11 best starting na 6 players at na bench 17 players are Kotoko'S game no mensa kan wa ha me de ebre wo fi omo maka no injury nko a na ememu no bi wo ha na de no ho ato na wie na ememu no yempese e be force no enu ntire ne akoba sa nti ne e be hwe Kotoko'S be we ni na we moving up ahead in the Ghana Premier League. They say all 16 points. So Owinia or Kose 19 and maybe Kwanse Kotoko'S underestimated this particular opportunity. Yes. Now Yanko Yenime very good stories for you. The manager of Samba Unel Edinkomo Ninsama Okai Nyina no enti asefie ye de Asia. Manager of Samba Unel your friend Alexander Kuju. Utie din na o Ghana ni Alexander Kuju. Inti nkomodie bi ekoso with a possible change of mind. Nensem poti a okan no me de bro e wo fi abepa cho unya subscribe ya no hit the rest subscribe at no about do man so. Na ya build it together information be brain wo wi ase. Na asem sia emunti ase na emunchiri mu no. Be rest assured say ye de bro e wo fi a reaction no ye gi adwenkyere ye di abubu ye di atepoi ye ya atene to de bi atene kakra wi ane apacho na moving on and also open join here 0247 107260 0247 107260 and oh yeah Asante Kotoko'S Reaction International nipa ni bi wo Germany e bi wo China e bi wo UK e bi wo Jamaica e bi wo United States of America and yina no ye chere ya adwinbo WhatsApp me am do beto so without much I do na yemfa message we nante as I light for our path and then 19th of November 2025 the year of our Lord. Do not try to choose between work and family or career and family. The best thing for you to do is say find a balance. People in the past have been grappling with this. Oh, yeah, Juma, Nana Jina, a corner Juma so, when your time among the family. I told you so be a family man and also be a family woman. Now, Jina, when the family so, when your time among Juma. There is always a way out to find space for these important things in our life. Family, they are first. So, and don't think about say you are coming to choose between your career and your family. It is a no starter. It is non-negotiable. Don't even think about it. Say you are going to think about the fact that you are choosing family or you are choosing your career. With the environment we find ourselves, it is possible for you to find space for both. You can have time for your family and you can have time for your work. So the message for our light for our path, let's say, let's try to find balance in everything we do. As far as these two important things in life is concerned, don't choose between one and sacrifice the other. The real thing for you to do is to find the balance. You make time for your family and you work. You work and you make time for your family. You make time for your work and you make time for your family. So you find the balance. As you can for minimum we are saying they have time for their family and they are working. They have about 2,000 employees. Do you get it? But still they have time for their families and they are also having time for their work. So it is always wise to create this balance. If you don't create this balance, you may find yourself wanting. And I do one neglect of family. One neglect of family, the repercussion is serious. You don't have time for your kids. You don't have time for your wife. You don't have time for your parents. Master, now on Krano, where's the bond? On Krano, you realize that there wouldn't be bond. And as we are Bema Kradia situation, you know, quite different. We are Bema. Bema is the leader of the house. And the leader should lead. And Krani engineer, they pick certain things. And all now be faha. Then they grow up to become responsible people. So, for family, don't choose over family. It's better for you to create the balance. If you create the balance, you have your work, you have your family intact. This is the message for our life, for our path, and Yemfa and Nanti. And right, the story be by about Seidu All Blacks. Omu coach, or a foreigner. Now, Seidu for no struggle recently. It's man who krum one I say and Wednesday, and I say Tuesday rather. Come by naked demonstration. Madam fo, I'm afraid you must say, Imanko boku kona na on the camera no na omoye demonstration o twaka krama ye na ye de aba. It's a right horse na my friend said. The traditional council of Seidu ene emana kasa say omo sro mo a ye de hoho ena ye de titi crew, ye de develop crew. Inti coach no a waba no ye hoho na omo gide say omo ma ne time kakra bi time kakra na omo de be ma no sa anye yidi a na ya woni tinko ya woni konsa ne mum no coach na nimpa na ma ahiti street say ye demonstrations ye mpam coach ne de coach no sa de we be live throughout in the life say eh Ghana fo nya ni papa ne kokochi ye kro bi e friend Seidu ma wuro mo ho se menko badwuma nto na menko nti mpanyifo se beba saa kra na it shouldn't be this tangent nti coach no mo be ma na America kra no ma observe no sa anye ya no mo ne no mutually terminated no ma pam no ene enkra free Seidu eba nti mo na mo hwem anim say man naked dey and dey demonstration no enyamba so now yanko Kujo Alexander Kujo the manager of Samba Unel and ran on it Asempa FM edi nkomo na oni Asempa FM di nkomo no tintin ni tietie nyina ne say they are now ready to negotiate with Asante Kotoko omun take entrenched positions a chenchina achi Samba contract ne so a or cop free agent, but a nipa enumasem, nipa tirimasem ni nim etiri nye bofre ena yapema hwe. Nse mo kan ro da mamen kan ma. O say I want to assure Kotoko'S fans that whether Samba will leave or stay, it is going to be in a very respectful manner that will benefit both parties. O say sir, go assure Kotoko'S fans say Samba be kokra na ebe obuo kwan so. Na obuo kwa so no Kotoko'S will benefit and Samba also be benefit because it's the fans that make the players globally. Manager na kan ansasem me bompa ise nsema a waka no obedi so o say Samba fans no any clubs no any make players no it is Samba be kwa obe make sure say Kotoko'S be benefit na Samba also benefit no na enra story no abe important say Durban City for no deal no 1 January Kotoko'S benya aton no sene be ya Samba benefit na Kotoko'S so benefit na otena san koba san so de ebia Samba be extend a so na Kotoko'S aton no let's say by the end of the year no na wa extending to deal bia ba Kotoko'S benya kakra se bi na nkomo no eyaye based on nkomo dia mekra medi no sa Kotoko'S anton Samba. The good news is that on the low key, on be man extend send ye be ya or kwa Kotoko'S benya bibi na nkoye Frederick Asare money dan lad money Richmond Lamte mudi eni bi ekopasa I think say guy we me bona ba so pa e friend no Alexander Kujo on the day in same way tudwa about Samba. Peter Alidu akwade no so afi na ono no agent no ono so ay na adwen say o ready say the Ghana for Kano the supporters ne Kano and the bloggers ni YouTubers say Kano. Sa Peter Alidu pa Ghana ni boy a obi Kotoko'S Amoah platform obi ku free a wan ha kra unya nhire wo so unya nti ono nso afi de o twe na adwen ba fie based on the nanopa information a mensa ka no ono so na adwen ba fie pa Peter Alidu akwa manager no ene Peter Alidu akwa nso ankasa ono so na adwen e ba fie na wa adwen ma fie sei wa adwen e ma fie sei wa adwen ma fie sei edna ena Black Star for ene Korea e ball na Black Star ni Korea ball no eye 1-0 your ball Black Star 2 the friend no Alidu Seidu no debate no is settled we enye matter of opinion I know that was screen so no seniors this is not matter of opinion Alidu Seidu bought the ball Emma Rene Ewo League friendly League 1 no. So far about 8 games. 8 games no. We share 0 goals. On share goal back kra and why assist back. Ne starting 11. Chances of starting 11 are 42%. So and in the minute, 40%. The goal participation, you can goal involvement, build up, na chance, yeah. So we involved by 5%. So, yellow cards or barco, and a red card unibi. So statistics, 8 games. Possibility of starting 42 and at the minute 40%. Afi hwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko'S Albert Lord Amoah so far appearance this season 7 games. Appearance 7 games. Washe go baako. Once any appearance no na akwaba akono Alidu Seidu no appearance ni 8 on share go. Lord Amoah appearance say 7 but washe 1 goal. And na ne possibility of starting 11 88%. Alidu Seidu the possibility of starting 11 42%. And na Lord the number of minutes 88% compared to Alidu Seidu the no saying 40%. And ahani here me no goal participation Alidu Seidu was 5%. Lord Amoah as a right back, players near right back. Lord Amoah was 11% goal participation. So in terms of Bibiano, Kotoko'S Lord Amoah ebiti Rene Alidu Seidu. Afi, she screen also. You can't discipline her. Are very important in football. Disciplinary records no so. Yellow cards no. Lord Amoah enya yellow cards bia. Uni second yellow card. Uni red card. But over Seidu, Alidu Seidu na ukra 1 yellow card. So in terms of disciplinary issues, so Lord Amoah is more disciplined than Alidu Seidu. So tell me the reason why in tia players mienu omunyina ya Ghana for. Na yesi ye pe ewi asi nyina Ghana ni a onim tu ugbo a Asante Kotoko'S player na obutu no enka ho. Asemba na okoka aya na social media commentators comment section say we are Kotokoni and now they kasa, but not too long ago, and I said we should screen the swap. Data and statistics are a good screen the son. Brony and as a Nigerian, if say paper don't lie. Paper don't lie. Sorry, I made you paper don't lie. And the Argentina, you see, here Ghana for winning 2 boy. Based on data and statistics. Kotoko'S right back, Lord Amoah is far ahead of Alidu Seidu. Nemomuno, ye koyi blaster. Obia obeba 2, and as ye yini patri obeba 2 grana. Young friend Lord Amoah. Mpanyifo amuka bi ewom, social media commentators ayenemo wa ha, muka bi ewom, munyina amfoma no ntum. YouTube commentators, Facebook commentators, Twitter commentators, muka bi ewom. And I don't think said the American no make sense. Ya heard Lord Amoah 2 no obetimi abo. Obetimi abo. Na no current tournaments, Ghana first game, ya share 2-0. Second game, ya share 1 against Korea. First game against Japan. Omo de nam hosa. I didn't say I have opportunity to do these local players, these players in the Ghana Premier League. And then me trim and Americans in recent days. Social media no bibi bana wo kabia yesi akwere opinion. This is not a matter of opinion. These are data backed with statistics. Tu fanya ko pomenti ase.